55 Best Foods for Weight Loss. According to science, the truth is, there is no single food that will make or break your weight loss goals, nor is there any one type of weight loss diet we should all be on. However, figuring out how to add some nutritional balance to your approach may help make the process feel a bit easier, and potentially improve your health in the long run. The best foods for weight loss include options that are high in nutrition and low in calories, supporting good health and helping you stick to your calorie limit. Other great options are foods that help reduce hunger or cravings, helping to keep you on track. These include options that are rich in heart-healthy fats, protein, and fiber, along with options that are basically calorie-free. Here's your go-to guide for finding the best weight.
Number 1. Green Tea Slim Life Blueberry Tea. Formulated to help provide energy for an active lifestyle while dieting, Green Tea Blue. Number 2. Cruciferous vegetables include broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts and dark leafy greens like kale and arugula. Their health benefits are vast, and a growing body of research links regular consumption of these vegetables to a lower risk of cancer and reduced inflammation. They're also low in calories and carbohydrates, making them the perfect non-starchy addition to any weight loss plan. These vegetables are simple to include throughout the week. Use them as the hearty base for meal prep salads or as a low-carb swap for grains, or blend them into smoothies. Number 3. The benefits of grapefruit. Grapefruit is excellent thanks to its low sugar content and its high content of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Antioxidant power, low glycemic load, anti-cancer virtues, very little calorie, source of sweet fiber. Grapefruit is a refreshing fruit with exceptional vitamin C content. The antioxidant compounds that it contains would provide multiple health benefits, especially against cancer and cardiovascular disease. Number 4. Eggs. The eggs really is the perfect protein, especially when it comes to weight loss. Eaten at breakfast, eggs have been shown to enhance weight loss as part of a reduced calorie diet. Plus, incorporating enough protein-rich foods like eggs at breakfast may keep evening snack cravings at bay. They're also economical and versatile enough to meal prep ahead for grab-and-go snacks and lunches for the week, or to top a power bowl at dinner. Related, how a high-protein breakfast can help you lose weight. Number 5. Potatoes. Benefits and virtue. Rich in carbohydrate, potassium, magnesium but also in fiber, the potato is considered a complete vegetable and participates in a good dietary balance associated with a varied diet. It contains an impressive amount of vitamins and minerals with beneficial health effects. Very rich in potassium. When it is cooked in water, the potato is diuretic and prescribed in the regimes of hearts. Baked, the potato is very rich in vitamin C, which makes the queen of our winter vegetables. It is recognized also anti-scorbutic virtues. The scurvy is a disease due to the lack of vitamin C in the diet. The steam-cooked potato is an ideal food for athletes because it provides the necessary energy on a long duration, and potassium and the magnesium it contains participates in the contraction of muscle cells. In the next videos you will find other best foods to lose weight.